It's not what happens that matters, but how you react to what happens that matters. Some people will always pull your leg, some people will always be out of control.
Some people will always hate you, some people will always sledge you. In life, there will be some people and situations which you can't control. Like when you give an exam, it's not in your hand what questions will come.
When you are playing Ludo, you can't control what comes on dice.
When a dog barks at you, you can't control that situation.
You can't control someone criticizing you. So, it's clear that you can't control the situation, but you can control your reaction.
When someone abuses you, you have two options. Either you can fight with them or you can just give a smile. When someone bullies you, you have two options. Either you can sit and cry or you can just ignore them.
You always have two options. Either you can be a soda bottle which will blast when someone shake it, or you can be a water bottle which will never blast no matter how much or how many times you shake it. Things only have the meaning we gave them. People will only treat you the way you let them.
We can't control the things that happens around us, neither the traffic nor the weather. The only thing which we can control is how we react to it and how we look at our life.